Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream filling for cake. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachment are thoroughly chilled. This simple step is crucial for achieving the perfect fluffy texture. You'll want to have everything ready before you begin whipping. Start by whipping your chilled heavy cream on a low speed, then gradually increase to medium-high. Keep a close eye on the consistency. You're looking for soft peaks first, where the cream holds its shape but the tip flops over. Continue whipping until stiff peaks form, meaning the cream stands up firmly. Be careful not to overwhip, or you'll end up with butter instead of a light, airy filling. Once you have your basic cream filling, the fun begins with flavor variations. For a rich chocolate version, gently fold in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. If you prefer something fruity, try adding 1/4 cup of fruit puree or a teaspoon of citrus zest. A splash of your favorite liqueur, like 1 tablespoon of rum or brandy, can also add a sophisticated touch. Experiment to find your perfect combination. Proper storage is key to keeping your cream filling fresh and delicious. Transfer any leftover filling to an airtight container and refrigerate it promptly. It's best to enjoy your homemade cream filling within 2 to 3 days for optimal taste and texture. And speaking of freshness, if your car could use a little refresh, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.